afternoon, sir. We are the BSMT2 Alpha Group 2, and we are here to present our report on operational warnings provided by Arpa system. So, Automatic Radar Plotting Aid, or Arpa, is a system that are essential for modern maritime navigation, offering real-time tracking and analysis of radar targets. This system enhances situational awareness and collision avoidance, helping bridge officers make informed navigational decisions. However, like any advanced electronic system, Arpa provides a range of operational warnings to alert users of potential issues or risk. This report outlines and discusses the various operational warnings typically provided by Arpa systems. So in Part A, Collision Avoidance Warning, CPA, TCPA, Violation Warning, and Collision Course Alert. So Arpa continuously calculates the closest points of approach and time to CPA for track targets. A warning is issued if a target CPA is less than a set safety threshold, indicating a risk of collision. A collision course alert informs the operator when a track target is on direct course likely to intersect with the own ship's path. These warnings allow the officers on watch to take early action, such as course or speed changes, to prevent close quarter situation. Adjusting CPA, TCPA thresholds according to traffic density and environmental conditions is crucial for effective use. So the closest point of approach is the minimum distance at which two vessels will pass each other if they continue on their current courses and speeds. And the TCPA, or time to closest point of approach, is the estimated time until vessels reach their CPA. So let's go to the Part B, or the lost target warnings. These warnings indicate that a previously tracked target has disappeared from radar detection, possibly due to radar shadowing, target maneuvering, or environmental factors. It prompts navigator to reassess the situation, especially if the lost target poses a collision risk. The system may attempt to reacquire the target automatically, but human intervention is often required. Operators should visually verify the presence or absence of the target and use AIS or binoculars when appropriate. So in lost target warnings, it is an alert issued by radar or ECDIS when a tracked vessel or target disappears or can no longer be detected. This may happen due to signal loss, range limitations, or system errors, prompting visual and audible alarms.
New target warnings. A new target warning is an alert issued by radar or ECDIS when a previously undetected vessel enters the system's range. It indicates the presence of a newly acquired target, prompting the crew to assess its course, speed, and collision risk. In Arpa system, new target warnings alert the observer to potential collision risk by indicating targets that are predicted to close within a minimum range and time that enters a designated guard zone. Tracking errors. Tracking errors occur in a radar or ECDIS system when a tracked vessel calculated position, course, or speed is inaccurate. This can be caused by signal interference or poor radar reflection. Second is incorrect settings or calibration issues. And lastly, delayed updates or lag in target data. Tracking error can lead to misjudgment of collision risk and affect safe navigation. Tracking error in automatic radar plotting aids can rise from various sources, including radar input errors, target swap, target loss, missed targets, and ground reference problem, potentially leading to inaccurate target data and reduced situational awareness. Here are more detailed explanation for the potential tracking errors. First is the random track errors. This caused by unstable computations due to error in the radar input. Second is target swap. When targets are very close, the Arpa computer might mistakenly swap the data computed for the vessel to another, leading to incorrect tracking. And third, target loss. The target data might be transferred to a transient echo or a C clutter, causing the target to disappear from the Arpa display. And fourth is missed target. Weak echoes might not be detected by the automatic acquisition facility, leading to missed target.
The sensor input failure warning. This warning is triggered when the ARPA system detects an issue with one or more external sensor that provide essential data. Common sensor failures include gyro compass failure, loss of heading information affects target tracking and course predictions, speed lag failure. Inaccurate or missing speed data can lead to incorrect calculations of relative motion. Radar malfunction. If the radar loses power or experiences signal interference, the ARPA cannot track target reliably. GPS, AIS data loss. If position data from GPS or automatic identification system is interrupted, the ARPA might lose display correct target position. The next one is the system overload warnings. The system overload warnings has processing limits, and this warning occurs when the system reaches its maximum capacity. Overloading can be caused by excessive number of tracked targets. If too many vessels are being tracked, the system may slow down or fail to update target position accurately. Heavy traffic areas. In congested waters, numerous data returns and tracking calculation can strain the system. Processor or memory limitation. Older ARPA units may struggle with complex and computations, leading to delayed updates or system crashes. To mitigate system overload, the operator should reduce the number of tracked targets, prioritize high-risk vessels, and if necessary, switch to manual collision avoidance methods. Both warnings highlight the importance of continuous system monitoring and alternative navigational practices to maintain maritime safety.
Guard zone alarm. A guard zone alarm is an alert triggered by radar or ICDs with a vessel or object. Enters a predefined safety zone around your ship. The purpose of guard zone alarm: warns of potential collision risk, enhance situational awareness, and triggered by moving targets, ships entering the zone. The next is stationary objects, buoys, and land detected within the zone. The next is closest approach alarm. Closest approach alarm is a warning triggered when another vessel is predicted to pass within a dangerously close distance, CPA, or within a short time from TCPA, indicating a potential collision risk.
AAS integration warning. AAS is used to track and identify vessels by exchanging real-time data with other ships and shore-based stations. An AAS integration warning occurs when AAS fails to connect properly with other navigational systems like radar or this. This failure can result in missing or incorrect vessel information, which may lead to navigational errors. The causes of this warning is data mismatch or missing AAS information. If data is incomplete or inconsistent, it can cause errors in identifying and tracking vessels. The next cause of this warning is signal loss or weak reception. Poor AIS signal strength can result in missing or delayed vessel tracking data. And the last one is system malfunction or configuration error. This is the problems with the software or hardware setup that can be prevented AIS from integrating properly with other navigation systems. The next warning is malfunction warning. It indicates that a critical navigation system such as radar, GPS, or XDIS has failed due to hardware malfunctions, signal disruptions, or software issues. This navigational tool helps vessels to determine their exact location, detect obstacles, and maintain safe routes. The common causes of this malfunction warning is hardware failure, signal loss, and system faults. And the next warning is calibration warning. Calibration warning alerts the crew that a sensor such as gyro compass, which is used for direction, or speed log, which is used to measure speed through water, requires recalibration. Calibration ensures that these sensors provide accurate readings which are essential for navigation and vessel stability. So why is calibration is important? The first reason is for gyro compass errors. If gyro compass errors is not properly calibrated, the gyro compass may give incorrect heading information leading to navigation errors. The next one is speed log inaccuracies. An uncalibrated speed log can miscalculate the vessel's speed, affecting fuel efficiency and navigational planning.
Environmental and cutter warnings. Environmental warning alert triggered by weather condition or sea stage which can affect radar performance and visibility. Cutter warning indicate radar interface caused by sea, rain, or nearby object leading to false echoes or target. Environmental and cutter warnings. Arpa may issue alert when sea, cutter, rain, or other environment condition degree radar performance. This warning inform navigation to be interpreting radar data under success condition. Adjust anti-cutter filter and sensitivity settings can be reduce false echoes and improve target clarity. Visual look become increasingly important when radar visibility is compromised.